Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting methodology and philosophy about TikTok and how the ads are actually run on top of it and how we can integrate TikTok with Shopify to ensure that we can convert the views that we get on TikTok to our Shopify account that increase our productivity, efficiency, sales, and make a lot of profit in the process. Now, the Shopify.com is a global commerce platform, guys, that can help you build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. You can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And this gives us an opportunity to study in detail the different methodologies and strategies that are being used by successful entrepreneurs that are dropshipping on Shopify.com. And by using those methodologies and strategies, we can ensure that we're keeping one step ahead and getting a competitive advantage in the industry. They're available in 170 plus countries, and a total US e-commerce of 10% is done on Shopify.com, and $444 billion of the global economic activities have been completed on Shopify. And the best thing is that you can create the store your way, and you can build an online storefront, bringing your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. And there's no coding expertise required, just your next big idea. You can craft the brand that you want and select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. So there's no need to hire a front-end developer or back-end developer, guys. You can simply focus on building the business the way that you want. And the best thing in Shopify is the fact that you can level up with more features and functionalities to your stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers. With the best converting checkout on the planet, you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that is built to convert. Then you have a flexible point of sale to power your retail store. And from the first touch to the full funnel, you can reach new leads, engage with customers, and have the data that you can build on. You can even streamline your back office and oversee your operations and fulfill every single order and manage the money where you make it. Now, if you don't have an account on Shopify, don't worry, guys. Click in the description below on the link and get your account now. Or you can simply click on start the free trial, answer a couple of questions, and land on your dashboard. Now, once you reach the dashboard, this is what it's going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your content, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts. Now, in the bottom, you'll see something called the ads. Just click on add app. Once you do that, you'll see that you have all these different apps available, but you want to search for more apps. So just scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Once you click on Shopify App Store, a new page is going to open up, which is going to have direct access to the App Store. Now, as you can clearly see, you're going to have all these different apps that are available on the App Store, but we want to do for TikTok. So the best app to use for TikTok is called TikTok Pixel. So we're going to search for TikTok Pixel. Now, as we search for TikTok Pixel, you'll see all these amazing elements available, and you will have the Pixel tracker, the TikTok Pixel, which is completely free. So we're going to click on it. Now, as we click on it, what we're going to do is quite simple and straightforward, guys, because you can easily click on add the app. Now, once you click on add the app, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you would obviously need to make sure that you install the app. So before we install the app, I want to show you TikTok. Now, TikTok is a platform that has millions of different elements available. Now, if you search for Shopify products and click on Shopify products, you'll see a lot of products that are available. This individual has been talking about different products, has got 31,000 views. This individual has 62,600 views. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the amount of interest people tend to have in these particular products. You have this person individual has 29,000, 40,000, 11,000, and obviously it goes on and on where you are selling different products that are available. Now, obviously this is a conversion. So if you want to check out this product, all you need to do is click on the product, and once you click on the product, you'll see that you have the information over here of the product, and you can easily see exactly how you need to import it, and you can get this product from here. So it is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. If you click the person's profile, you'll be redirected and you'll be able to see that they have 100,000 likes, 25,000 followers, and they have a lot of different elements available for TikTok.com. Now, TikTok is an amazing opportunity to actually increase your business, and with the ads that integrate entertain, and campaigns that connect, a solution that's available for everyone because they've created a suite of products with you in mind. So whatever you're a small business owner or a huge company, you can advertise, you can be creative, you can do measurement and commerce as well. And the best thing is that TikTok is a place where you have youngsters that are available 24/7. So you can easily get your product in front of hundreds, thousands, and millions of different individuals. And if you want to make sure that you stay one step above the competition, you can easily select elements that will definitely be selling because there are individuals that have 4 million followers or more than that, and they can easily get those products in front of customers. Now, if you go to advertising, you can make an impact for you and your page and go beyond that because this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Remember, guys, we are living in a time and age in this world right now that has changed dramatically. If you look at 20, 30 years back, this was not possible, but right now, the power of social media, the power of the internet is so huge that you can easily use it and scale your business to heights that is never known before. And you can easily create a passive income for yourself and break away from the 9 to 5 and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. Because at the end of the day, you can easily find different elements that you drop shipping and get those elements in front of customers in matters of seconds. And you can reach a global audience across the world. So you could have a product a person would be buying in China, in South Africa, in India, in South America, or even in North America or Russia for that matter, because your product is going to be made available on a platform that has a global reach. And that is the reason why I always recommend every individual that is thinking about doing dropshipping is to understand the power of social media and how to use the power of social media, either it be Facebook, either it be Instagram, either it be TikTok or YouTube for that matter, because these are powerful tools that are available that can truly give you an opportunity that you will never be able to get ever again. So that is the reason why we always recommend individuals to check all these elements out that are available on the internet in today's time and age. So you can discover the advertising solutions with in-feed ads and top views as well. You can even look at the branded hashtag challenge and take matters into the next level with the Spark ads that boost different types of videos to maximize their impact. You can also have a branded effect, or you can even promote and amplify your organic content in TikTok with an easy to use tool as well. So you can explore more solutions with TikTok for Business. Now, once you've done it, just head back to your store over here and click on Install App. Now, once we click on Install App, they will actually install the Tixel Tracker, which is the TikTok ad tracker. And once they do that, they'll be asking for permissions from your TikTok to connect to your Shopify. And that is the reason why I always mention to every individual that if you want to use any element, make sure that you understand the possibilities that are available. As you can see, this is the Tixel tracking. You have the setup instruction given from the first step to the second step to the third step. You have your ads dashboard that's available over here. You can see the total, the purchases, and the values that are given. You can see the tag builder and obviously use your URL, your ad name, your campaigns, and develop ad groups as well. You can check out your settings. So all of these elements are available integrated into your Shopify. So whenever you put a product onto your Shopify, it will automatically be put on the ad dashboard for you to share with hundreds and thousands and millions of individuals on TikTok and increase your sales so you can become financially independent. If you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your families, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.